What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Huge progress has been made on the car, and I can't wait to show you guys. Some things have been installed, some things that we bought. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into it. We got some new hooker headers. I think it's 1.63 inch headers. They're really close to 1.75 inches. Super nice. Long tube headers, ceramic coated. Perfect. They look beautiful. Complement the freaking valve covers. So good. Can't wait to hear what this thing sounds like. We're gonna be running basically a straight pipe all the way back to the rear end with mufflers at the end dumped. This thing's gonna be super loud. It's gonna sound so good. Other than that, as you can tell, we bought a 4-inch cowl hood that obviously needs some work, but you know, for 200 bucks, I think this is awesome. Fiberglass. It's a Glass Tech hood, which Glass Tech is a very, from what I hear, reputable brand. Other than that, we do have the seat and shifter installed. Let me take you around the other way. Stuff. This is when it was installed. It would be like the first time in, I believe, six or 7 months that I sat in it, which is a big deal to me. It's not a big deal to some people, but it's a huge deal to me. This shifter feels amazing. If we put the shifter all the way to the floor, it would be too awkward because of where first gear is. You'd have to, your elbow would be hitting this part of the seat. But so we had to raise it up about 2 inches and level it off. Custom made everything. We're still not done welding it. It's just tacked on there. We're gonna have to seal everything up, paint it all black, paint the floors back black, but we still have the other side to do. Other than that, dude, I mean, car's been coming along. It's gonna be awesome. The tech right here, gauges. It's gonna be sweet. And I mean, for $100, $150 seats from Jegs, I mean, these things are super, I mean, not super comfortable, but they're pretty comfortable. They work, and I think with black carpet and when everything's finished in here, they'll look really good. Definitely not gonna do, I don't really want to change the steering wheel. I love the way that it feels, how thin it is. It just gives it that classic vibe. All right, dude. Anyway, still have tons of work, obviously, but the way this shifter feels is just like, any of you have a Hurst quarter stick, I know they make one with like just the ball on top, or a pistol grip, will know how this feels. It feels so good, super comfortable. Like, I love it. Tons of work to do. I mean, I'm not too worried. You know, we're taking our time on this. We're making sure everything is the way we want it, because we don't want to have to go back and fix anything. Custom seat mounts too. I'll try to get under here as well. Let's see if you can see. Not really, but had to level everything off, drill into it. It was a lot. It's very time consuming. Those brackets it took a day and a half for us to make just one side. All right, dude. I actually have some car parts, some new parts that are lying around that I'm gonna bring out here and show you guys to see if you guys wanted me to make a new video, or if you just like these like couple week updates, or if you wanted a separate video for each little install. Like I said, you guys need to let me know. All right, super loud. Not trying to make a video or anything. It's all right. It's okay. Had to cut the grass right now. Haven't made a video in 3 weeks. These guys decide to cut the grass right now. It's all right. It's all right. You're doing okay. Anyway, like I was saying, do you guys want weekly or bi-weekly updates or each little install on little parts? Let me know in the comments below. You guys, let's take a look in the car really quick. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see. Tech's gonna go right here. Want it to mount right here. It's gonna be something like that. And the plate, I know, goes right here. So just to get a good idea, something that just goes like that. Of course it needs to be tweaked, but these wires will be out of the way. Gauges, switches, shifter. Oh man. Oh man, it just gets me excited. I love it. I love it. Oh, speaking of gauges, I know we got. It's another thing that I forgot about. Oil pressure gauge. I was actually gifted this for free, which is makes it even better because these gauges are expensive as hell. But I just need a water pressure, or no, water temp, I'm sorry. Water temp gauge. Then I should be ready to rock and roll with some switches. Let me know below if you guys just like these updates, or if you want each install, like a separate video for each one. And we are really close to 50 subs, which I'm super excited about. Just halfway there to 100. I know it's nothing compared to some of these guys' channels, but it means a lot to me. I just feel like it's really cool for it to have like a 19-year-old doing this old hot rod and stuff. That, I mean, it's basically a dying breed, but it's whatever. It's whatever. Anyway, thank you guys. Subscribe, like, share, do whatever you guys want. Anything helps me out. And have a good day.